breathe. This is new. Welcome. I'm so happy you're here. This is your time. A few minutes to connect, center, and begin your day from within. Meditation in the morning helps you meet the day with clarity, calm, and intention. No need for perfection, just presence. Let's begin. Sit or lie down comfortably. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw soften. And simply notice how your body feels. No need to change anything. Just be here. Now, gently bring your attention to your breath. Inhale slowly. Exhale softly. Feel the breath moving in and out. Let it anchor you. Right here. Right now. Now take a moment to set an intention for today. It can be a word, a feeling, or a direction you wish to follow. Say it quietly in your mind. Today, I choose. And complete that sentence with your truth. Trust your choice. Let's now repeat some affirmations together. You can say them out loud or in your mind. I am present and grounded. I meet this day with calm energy. I trust myself. I choose peace over pressure. I move with purpose and kindness. I am enough. Let each one land. Let each one become part of you. Now sit with this calm for a few moments. Let your breath flow naturally. Let the affirmations echo in your being. There is nowhere else to be. You've just meditated. You've connected. And now you carry this energy with you into your day. Let this be a beginning. Come back tomorrow or anytime. Your peace is always here. Namaste. This is Nunu, your daily meditation for a better start every day.